In the end of the second video, we just started talking about installments. So we're at 6. So I'm just going to start there. Sorry about that. I wish I had a timer on this thing. Types of credit, payment options. So when you hear the word installment, think of that as another word for payment. You're making a payment on the loan or the money that you borrowed or you owe. There is such thing as installment credit is when the borrower owes a specific amount and agrees to pay it in a set number of payments of equal amounts. And the payments happen on a regular schedule, often monthly. So you would do this on an auto loan, your house, electronics, furniture. On my pickup payment, it comes out of my paycheck on like the 20th of every month, and it's $267. Same thing every month for like 36 months. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so it has the same time each month, same amount, okay, and for so many months. Non-installment credit is when credit that is all paid at once in a single payment. So you think of it one large lump sum. So you might go like once a year and make a huge payment. They say a short period of time here. Sometimes it does get a little bit longer, but you maybe see this in the ag industry, okay? But you make one large sum payment. Department stores let you do this. Student loan payments are loans that require payment in full on a specific date, either with or without interest. You do make monthly payments, though, on student loans, but they work a lot like auto loans for the most part and housing loans. Okay. The last one, revolving credit, is when the borrower is approved for borrowing up to a set credit limit. Then the borrower can choose how much of that credit can use and when to pay off. So you can, let's say you're approved for $10,000. You can spend up to $10,000 or anything in between there, and then you choose when you pay it off. You don't make one large sum at this month or in 2 months, or just make the same amount for 3 months, 5 months till it's paid off. You borrowed $5,000, you can just pay it off as you go, different chunks. Okay. And we know if you do borrow money, you want to pay it off as soon as possible, as the interest will incur. No minimum monthly payments required. Okay. And there's no set date that it's paid off. Okay. So this is a little bit about what you need to know about credit. Remember, principal is the amount of money that you borrow. With all credit, there is interest, money that you have to pay on top of the principal. Higher the credit score, the lower the interest rate. Lower the credit score, higher the interest rate. The longer the loan in terms of months, the more interest you're going to pay back, the lower the payment. The shorter the loan in terms of months, the higher the payment, the less interest you're going to pay back. So remember that. Trying to think what else here. Be smart with borrowing. If you can put money down on your house, they really need you to do that. Otherwise, it's be tough to buy a house. But for like a vehicle, $500, $1,000, that will definitely shrink your payment down a little bit. So down payments are a big deal. So this is chapter 5 over credit, borrowing, all that good stuff. So thanks for watching.